I did very little with this bird. With a heritage bird, you really want the flavor to speak for itself. So a little bit of salt inside and out, a little rub of olive oil, and then cooking it the right way. Taking the leg thigh off so I can get to the breast. So I cut down the breastbone right till I get to the wishbone. You can see it here. I want to follow the wishbone down all the way down to where the wing attachment is. The breast till I can get everything out. So you can see, if you look underneath the skin here, that the grain of the turkey goes this way. So I'm cutting against the grain. That's the best way to do it. I've made a few cuts here. My family likes nice, big, thick pieces. If you want to cut it thinner than that, then you certainly can. I always like to get a little bit of skin in there with my turkey. And I don't know if you can hear that skin when I'm cutting it, but it's like crackling. It's fantastic.